Hello everyone. Today's topic is trigeminal nerve. Trigeminal nerve is fifth cranial nerve, type of nerve. It is mixed nerve containing both sensory and motor fibers. Mainly sensory. Trigeminal nerve have three branches: V1, V2, V3. That is ophthalmic, maxillary, and mandibular branches. V1, V2, that is ophthalmic and maxillary, both are purely sensory. Mandibular is mixed, containing both sensory and motor fibers. Now trigeminal nerve is mixed, containing both sensory and motor fibers, mainly sensory. Location: it is located on ventral surface of the pons. At what level? At the junction of pons and middle cerebellar peduncle. This is pons, the middle cerebellar peduncle, and at junction of both pons and middle cerebellar peduncle we have trigeminal nerve roots, both sensory and motor roots. Thicker one is sensory root and this is motor root of trigeminal nerve. Now functional components. Basically, journal somatic afferent fibers and special visceral efferent fibers. Two types. Journal exteroceptive sensations, that is sensation of pain, touch and temperature. These are GSA fibers, journal somatic afferent fibers, and proprioceptive fibers. GSA and branchiomotor fibers. Branchio is related to branchial arches or pharyngeal arches, and these are comes in category of special visceral efferent fibers because these are motor fibers. Now journal exteroceptive sensation, that is sensation for pain, touch and temperature. Cranial nerve 5, that is the trigeminal nerve, carries pain, touch, temperature from head and neck region, all areas, from teeth, vertex, gums, oral cavity, nasal cavity, paranasal air, sinuses, whether it is cornea or conjunctiva. All the sensation of touch, temperature, pain is carried by trigeminal nerve from head and neck region. Proprioceptive fibers. Proprioception from muscles of mastication, extraocular muscles, muscles of facial expressions, from muscles of mastication, facial muscles and extraocular muscles. These are muscles of eyes, extraocular muscles. No. Branchiomotor fibers. Branchiomotor fibers, that is related to pharyngeal arch 1, first pharyngeal arch. All the muscle derived from the first pharyngeal arch is supplied by the mandibular division or the motor root of branchiomotor fibers. It includes muscles of mastication, tensor tympani, tensor velli palatini, mylohyoid, anterior belly of digastric. All muscles derived from the first pharyngeal arch are supplied by mandibular division of the trigeminal nerve, that is the nerve for first pharyngeal arch. Question asked on nuclei related to cranial nerve 5. Two types of fibers. It is a mixed nerve, both sensory and motor fibers. Cranial nerve 5 carries both sensory and motor fibers. Therefore, nuclei for both the sensory and motor fibers. Sensory nuclei are arranged in three groups: mesencephalic, nucleus, mesencephalic nuclei, pontine nuclei, and spinal nuclei. And for motor, it's motor nuclei. Two types of nuclei related to cranial nerve 5, sensory and motor. Sensory nuclei are further categorized into three types: mesencephalic, that is in midbrain. Mesencephalon is midbrain, and mesencephalic nucleus is situated in midbrain. Pontine, as name suggests, it is situated in pons. Spinal nucleus extend from the caudal portion of the pontine nucleus up to the second or third spinal segments. Now, first of all, mesencephalic nucleus. It is located in midbrain, as name indicates, in central gray matter lateral to aqueduct. Aqueduct is feature of midbrain when we see the cross section of mesencephalon or midbrain. Now, nucleus, it contains pseudo-unipolar neuron. These contain pseudo-unipolar neuron that are the first order neuron for proprioception. Proprioceptions came from muscles of mastication, muscles of facial expression, extraocular muscles. All the muscles, proprioceptive fibers reach to the mesencephalic nucleus. Now, in this is the central gray matter, this is aqueduct, and this is mesencephalic nucleus. At the lower level, if we see the cut section at the lower level of the midbrain, not on the upper level, at the lower level, mesencephalic nucleus. Now, principal pontine nucleus, or it is also termed as central nucleus of trigeminal nerve. Situation, it is situated in pons and receive fiber for discriminative touch. That is, it discrimination means we can identify between 2 points: specific touch, discriminative touch. These are journal somatic afferent fibers. At pons, if we see the cut section, then this is the central nucleus for discriminative touch, and this is the motor nucleus. Spinal nucleus of trigeminal nerve is elongated nucleus from pons to second or third cervical segment of spinal cord. This is important, segment of spinal cord, not at the level of vertebrae. We are talking about the segments of second and third cervical segments of spinal cord, extension of the spinal nucleus. From caudal, this is pontine nuclei, that is the central pontine principal nucleus. Then at the caudal level, from here, from pons, nucleus runs through the medulla oblongata and then to first, second, and up to second or up to third spinal segment. This is the extent of spinal nucleus of trigeminal nerve, and this nucleus is elongated. That's why it is divided into three parts: pars oralis, pars interpolaris, and pars caudalis. Now, pars oralis. This pars oralis receive fiber from touch from the mouth. Oralis. It receives fibers for touch from mouth or oral cavity. Now second part is pars interpolaris. Pars interpolaris, it carries nociceptive fibers from nociceptive sensations from teeth. Next part is pars caudalis. This is pars caudalis and it carries fibers of pain and temperature from all over the region of head and neck. Now motor nucleus. Motor nucleus is situated in pons. It carries special visceral efferent fibers that are the branchiomotor fibers. Branchiomotor fibers for pharyngeal arch 1. And it forms special visceral efferent column. This is pons cross section, and here is the location of central pontine nuclei, and just adjacent to it is motor nucleus of pons, or motor nucleus of trigeminal nerve. Motor nucleus of trigeminal nerve located in pons. Now nuclei of cranial nerve 5, mesencephalic nucleus in midbrain as the name suggests, then main sensory nucleus plus motor nucleus in pons, and spinal nucleus of trigeminal from caudal portion of the pons to the second or third spinal segment. Now intracranial course of pons. Nerve arises as sensory and motor root, two different roots at the ventral surface of pons. On the ventral surface of pons. Now, pons or the brainstem is located in posterior cranial fossa. It is located in posterior cranial fossa. Both the roots separate sensory and motor travels through the posterior cranial fossa into the middle cranial fossa. Where in middle cranial fossa? In cavum trigeminale, or it is also termed as Meckel's cave. Meckel's cave is formed by dural folds and it is situated in middle cranial fossa. Meckel's cave is very important topic and we will study it in detail in another video. Now sensory root join with trigeminal ganglion. Trigeminal ganglion is a sensory ganglion, and sensory root joins the posterior surface of the trigeminal ganglion, and trigeminal ganglion is situated within the cavum trigeminale, and motor root is still separated. Now from the trigeminal ganglion or the semilunar ganglion, three nerves come out. V1, that is the ophthalmic nerve. V2, maxillary nerve. V2 is maxillary nerve, and V3 is mandibular nerve. And motor root is come with the V3 division or the mandibular division, and V1 and V2 are purely sensory. Now let's see in the diagram. This is pons and this is the sensory root, and this is motor root. Motor from the posterior cranial fossa. Now we came this यहाँ. This is cave, Meckel's cave in middle cranial fossa. This is trigeminal ganglion. Sensory root joined with the trigeminal ganglion and further gives three branches: V1, V2 and V3. Motor root comes along with V3, and after crossing the this foramina ovale, motor root joins with V3 division and to form the mandibular nerve. Now V1 comes out through superior orbital fissure and supply. V2 comes out through foramina rotundum and V3 through foramina ovale. V1, V2, V3 we will study in separate video.